So today I'm doing a little vlog. I'm going outside. I'm using this headband that I got. I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know if it's on ultra wide or wide, but I'm going to change it over and to see what it looks like. It might be a bit echo in here. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I know it looks a bit weird with the beanie on, but I probably can sort that out afterwards. You probably shouldn't have to wear a beanie, but I love to have a beanie, okay? So we're going to test this out. This is the one that comes with the DJI Action 2, the new edition, the 128 gigabytes. So we're going to see how this goes, and hopefully it goes all right. No. And obviously I'm using the internal microphones in here. But before we do that, let's see if we can see the cat, because I don't know where the cat actually is. Where's Mochi? So this is my cat called Mochi, and she literally always hides in here. Look at her. Hello, Mochi. Good morning to you. Good morning, kiss. Oh, bless you. Go back to sleep. But yeah, like I said, I'm just testing everything on here. The internal audio from the DJI Action 2, the headband. So let's see how this goes. I know it's going to be a bit rough. And also, there's my other cat out there. Look, asleep. Jenny. Can you see? Probably not, but we'll try it. We'll give this a shot, shall we? So I think it's recording now, and as you can see, Jenny's over there. Hi Jenny, how you doing? You good? Hey, have you had food? Oh, I'll leave her be. Jenny's a stray cat, so she gets a bit nervous. It is windy out, so you might hear the wind. I do apologise. But yeah, we are testing this. I wanted to see how it feels. It feels actually quite comfy. The headband actually feels comfy. It feels weird because it's over my ear, but apart from that, see if I can find my dad to see what he's doing and all that glorious stuff. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but it's just a test, and also testing on the audio as well from the headband. Don't even know where he is. Oh, he's all the way down there. See what he's doing. It is. I was going to get my drone out today, but it's not windy. My drone could probably fight it. Hi Dad. What do you think about the headband? It came with the DJI. I am recording, by the way, but what do you think? It's pretty cool. It's magnetic at the top. I've got it on wide view. But yeah. It's alright. What are you doing?
Digging out. Highlighting the borders.
Oh, the borders. What's that bit going to be over here? Because I never asked.
What?
This bit here.
Just got rose bed.
A rose bed, okay. You see any rats this morning?
Jenny got one. Jenny
got one?
Yeah.
Just one. Small one. I've just seen Jenny. She's on the pallet, isn't she?
Yeah, I think she's eating it right.
Yeah. Fair enough.
That's what we do now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a small one.
You got a big one the other day, didn't you?
Yeah.
Fucking fat one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting that air rifle, I suppose.
Yeah, we need to get it. It's a good price. What is it? What did you say? 225?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, we'll have to get it on the weekend or something, or when I get paid.
Just go at half,
Yeah, I'll get paid on the 8th or the 7th,
yeah.
and we'll get it then.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, sounds good. Because we can both use it, can't we, in the garden for target practice, or, you know.
For anything,
Yeah. If I get it when Joe's down, me and Joe can use it as well, can't we?
Yeah.
Test it in the garden, yeah. But yeah, the headband's good, isn't it? It looks alright. Yeah. Well, yeah, there you go. Just testing it around, looking at the beds. It's weird because I can't see the view. I guess if I can get like my phone, I can monitor my view. That's the only way I could do it. But apart from that, I've got to kind of guess where I'm looking, so I'm kind of just using my eyes and guessing the camera's looking that way. I have got it on ultra wide, so it's got to be all right. I'm gonna run right now. I look a bit stupid when I run, but you can't see me, but I want to see how stable it is. I want to see how good it is when I run, so to see if it actually So how was that? Like, I'm going to obviously review the footage, but I don't know how that was. Either way. Hi, Jenny. But hopefully it was all right. Right. So also you can literally just pull it off like that. And it's that simple. Then you're back with me again, sorted, and all that glorious thing. So yeah, like I say, I don't know. You alright, Jenny? It's a camera, mate. It's a camera. Cats are funny. And then I can put it literally back on. Well, I think it's on. Is it on? I can't tell. It went on that quick. It's on. I didn't even, all I did is popped it in and it went on. Now that's me, I look a bit stupid, I know. You can also, because you can see me in the mirror right now, right? You can also pull it down a little bit, so you can have a little bit of down angle view. I think it goes all the way down as well, so it's going to look weird, but you can do that as well. So say if I'm got a headband and I'm reviewing something, I can pull it all the way down, so that is pretty cool. That I did not know you could actually do that, but that is something else that you can do. God, you look knackered, Jenny. Jenny, you look knackered. You're alright. I'll tell you what, I'm not an animal person, but I've got to admit, cats are funny. The thing is, I don't want to go up to her, because if I go up to her, she might move, because she's still, like, nervous. I don't want to make a move, but I'll try. Can I have a stroke? She's getting nervous, I think. She's getting very nervous. Yeah, see? She's got a sniff you. See if she sniffs me. No, I'll leave you. I'll leave you. You good? You good? She's a stray cat and she gets nervous a lot. But yeah. She's tired. Yeah, I don't want to disturb her if she's just chilling there. So, there you go. I think the postman's here. Now she's scratching. Well, I think the postman just came. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, like I said, the last video I did on the Action 2 was I did some time lapses and slow-mos. There wasn't that great because I live in England and there's not much to view really, but I'll try in the future get some more time lapses and you know, all that glorious stuff. I was thinking of buying an e-scooter because I want to get around. We do have a bike back here, but I think all these bikes are pretty much gone. Like that's dead. That's a flat tire, that is. Okay, now that could probably be pumped up. Yeah, that's dead as well. See, I was thinking of getting an e-scooter. I don't know if it's the best to get an e-scooter. Put in the comments below what e-scooters are kind of good and bad. But I don't know. I'm just walking around at the minute, just thinking what I can do. Because I really want to like go to the bridge, because there's a bridge up the road. I can walk there pretty simple like this. It's not a bad thing. I can just literally walk. But I want to get something that's like a little bit of a scooter-esque skateboard or something like that, that's got a motor in it, because I've seen loads of people do it. But yeah, I don't know, but it is what it is. So there you go. What do you guys think of obviously the DJI headband that comes with the Action 2, the 128GB model? I think it's quite cool because I like this feature as well, to say if I'm doing like some tech reviews, I can have this on and point it down when I'm opening a box or something. Like, I didn't realize that until literally today, that you could do that. Jenny, are you looking for some food? Cats. But yeah, I don't know, this is obviously, I don't know how the focus is on this, but this is what it looks like. Hopefully you can kind of see it. I don't know how this goes on the thing, but yeah, it's got DJI logo there. It's very stretchy. You can pull it in if you've got a smaller head, or if you've got a bigger head you can pull it out a bit. I think that's the maximum it goes actually, so it's literally just right for my head. I like the stretchiness of it. So there you go. What do you guys think? Hope you enjoyed this small short video, and yeah, we'll see you next time on whatever I do with this DJI Action 2 or the Pocket 3 or the drone. And you want some food, don't you? Look at you. But yeah, we'll see you next time, guys.